3 of exercise 5.3 is, it is given that in an AP, A equal 5, D equal 3, AN equal 50, and we have to find N and Sn. With this given information, we have to find the value of N and Sn. So student, first we will find the value of N. For that we will use this AN equal 50. Okay, and what is the formula of AN? A plus N minus 1 into D equal 15. What is the value of A? 5. N we have to find, and the value of D is 3, which is equals to 15. Then we will shift this 5 from left hand side to right hand side. Obviously this plus sign will convert into minus 5. Then N minus 1 into 3 equals to 45. Then we will shift this 3, which is in the form of multiplication, and when we shift it into right hand side, it will come into denominator. Then we will cancel out this and we will get 15. So N minus 1 equal 15. Then N equal, we will get 15 plus 1, so N equal 16. So with the help of these values A, D and AN, first we find the value of N. Then we will find this Sn, and what is the formula of Sn? Sn equals to N upon 2 A. There are two formulas, student. 2A plus N minus 1 into D, and another formula is N upon 2 within bracket A plus AN. So which formula we will apply here? Since it is given that directly AN equals to 50, so we will apply this formula Sn equal N upon 2 A plus AN. Okay, Sn equal N upon 2 A plus AN. Then we will substitute the values. The value of N we find 16 upon 2. Value of A is here 5, and plus AN, the value of AN is here 50. Just cancel out this 8, and 50 plus 5 we will get 55. Just you have to multiply this 55 by 8 and you will get the sum of 16 terms, because here the value of N is 16. 8 5s are 40, 44. So the sum of this 16 term will be 440. Second part is A equals 7, A 13 equal 35, and then we have to find D and S 13. So student, what is given here? First A 13, 13th term is your 35, and in place of A 13 what we can write? We can write A plus 12D, which is equal to 35. Then substitute the value of A 7 plus 12D equal 35. Then we will shift this plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side. We will get 35 minus 7, and then 12D equal. Subtraction of this 35 minus 7 will be, yes student? Yes, 28. D equal 28 by 12. Cancel out this. 1s are, 4s are, 6s are, then again 3s are and 7s are. The value of D is here 7 by 3. Value of D is 7 by 3. Now with the help of this D and A, we will find S13. Now we have to find S13. For that we will apply Sn equal N upon 2 A plus AN. That formula once again, N equal 13. 13 by 2, A, value of A is 7, and A 13, the value of A 13, it is given that 35. Okay student, 13 by 2 and 35 plus 7, what we will get? 42. Now cancelize this. 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13, 1 carry, 13 twos are 26, and so sum of this first 13 term will be 273. Fifth part of this question is, it is given that d equal 5 as 9. Sum of 9 terms is 75. Then we have to find the value of a and a9. So student, obviously we will apply first this formula as we will use this S9 equals 75. For that we will apply this formula Sn equal n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Why we are not applying here the another form of this formula a plus an within bracket? Why? Because it is unknown for us, so we cannot apply that formula. So Sn equal, what is given, that 75, the value of n is here 9, sum of 9 terms, then 2a, value of a is unknown as it is. In place of n we will write 9 minus 1 and d is your 5. Just we will simplify this and we will find the value of a. So cross multiply this, obviously this denominator term will go into numerator and numerator 9 will come in the denominator. 75 into 2 upon 9 equals 2. We will simplify this also. 2a plus 8, 9 minus 1, 8, 8 5s are 40. Yes student, cancel out this. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. We will get 50 by 25 2s are 50 by 3 equals to 2a plus 40. Now we will shift this plus 40 from right hand side to left hand side. What we will get? 50 by 3 minus 40 equals to 2a. Since this in the form of fraction, so we can write 40 as 40 by 1. Then we will take LCM. LCM will be 3. Then 50 as it is, because in the denominator 3 is there, and then 40 will multiply by 3. Okay, then 50 minus 120 upon 3 equal to a. Then 120 minus 50, what we will get? Minus 70 by 3 equals to 2a. Then student, shift this 2 because we have to find the value of a. So we will shift this 2 from right hand side to left hand side and we will get minus 70 upon 3 into 2 equal a. Just you can cancel out this. So what we will get? We will get a equal minus 35 upon 3. This is the value of a. Okay student, now we will find ninth term. For that we will apply the same formula. A9 will be a plus 8d. Value of a is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into d. The value of d is 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5s are 40. LCM will be 3. Minus 35 plus 40 into 3 we will get plus 120. Then we will subtract 120 minus 35. What we will get? 85. So the ninth term will be 85 by 3. This is our answer. Seventh part of this question is, what is given here? A equal 8, an equal 62, sum of n terms Sn equal 210, and then we have to find n and d. So from where we can start student? Because we are having the values of a and an. D is unknown, n is also unknown. Okay, it means we will start from an, then we will take Sn also. Let's see, an equals 62. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals 62. The value of a is 8 plus n and d both are unknown. So we will write as it is, n minus 1 into d, or we can open the bracket also, 62. Then we will shift this 8 into right hand side. N minus 1 into D equal 62 minus 8. N minus 1 into D equal 62 minus 8. What we will get? 54. This one is our first equation. Now we will take this Sn. What is given here? Sn equal 210. Then we will apply formula. Which formula we will apply here? N upon 2 a plus an. Why? Because an is given here. Okay, equals to 210. Okay, substitute the values. N upon 2 as it is, because n is unknown. Value of a is 8, value of an is 62, equals to 210. Then again simplify this. N upon 2. Yes, what we will get? 8 plus 62, 70, equals to 210. Cancel out this. What we will get? 35. So n equal 210 upon 35. So student, cancel out this. We can easily cancel out this by 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21, 0 and 6s are. So the value of n is 6. Now we can substitute this value of n in equation number 1 and we will get 6 minus 1 into D equals to 54. It means 5d54. So the value of D will be 54 upon 5. So we find D as 54 by 5 and the value of n is 6. Last question of this, question number 3 is given L. L it means last term is 28, S 144 and there are total 9 terms. Then we have to find A. So L it means last term which is equals to An. So in place of L we can write An also. It is given that 28 and there are total 9 terms. It means the value of n is 9 and S, obviously the sum of these 9 terms will be 144. So first we will use this A plus, what is the value of n? 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 into D. D is unknown here, which is equals to 28. Simplify this. A plus 8d equal 28. This one is our first equation. Now we will use here S equal 144. For that we will apply the formula sum of 9 terms. Formula n upon 2 A plus L. We will use here the second form of this formula equals to 144. N equal 9 upon 2. Value of A is unknown as it is and the last term is here 28 equals to 144. Then A plus 28 as it is. Now we will shift this 9 upon 2 into right hand side. 144. What we will get of 9 upon 2 will be 2 upon 9. Then we will cancel out this. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry. 3 8s are 24. Again we can cancel out. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 carry. 3 6s are 18. So A plus 28 equal 16 2s are 32. Okay. Then we will shift this 28 from left hand side to right hand side and we will get 32 minus 28. So the value of A is here 4. Okay student.